Sword, sword, my diamond sword, sword. You cannot afford, for my diamond sword, sword. Even if you can't, I have a patent. No one else can make a sword exactly in this manner. Welcome to my manner. I swing my sword, sword. I never have been bored. I can swing my sword, sword. I can swing my sword, sword. Once I hit the floorboards, but I hadn't restored, and it was expensive. Swinging is my business, and by that I mean swinging swords. Please do not ignore. Do you like my sword? That was rhetorical. You know I am the oracle. I know you like my sword. It's made of freaking diamonds. If you don't, you're lying. But that would be fine, because it is awesome. And you're probably jealous. I can bring my sword on, cause I am the Lord of Diamonds.
Shut up! What? Give it. What? Give me the sword. No! Give it. No! It's mine!
No.
It's mine!
Nope.
Aw.
Shut up. I'll see you in court.
All right.